Hello, I'm attorney Justin M. Kennedy with Little and Kennedy and Associates, a California estate planning and elder care law firm. Today, I'm going to discuss a new initiative known as the Repeal the Death Tax Act. Please note that our office is not political. This is merely for information purposes for our clients who fear their children would be negatively impacted by Proposition 19 and may be interested in the benefits that this proposed new act would provide. I will start with some background. Proposition 13 was approved by California voters back in 1978. Proposition 13 keeps your property tax bill low by limiting how much the assessed value may increase each year. Proposition 13 benefits you, the owner of the property. In 1986, a few years later, Proposition 58 was approved by 75% of California voters to allow the home plus $1 million of assessed value of additional real property to pass from parent to child while allowing the child to keep that low Proposition 13 property tax rate. In November 2020, Proposition 19 was narrowly passed by California voters. Proposition 19 repealed the constitutional protections that were implemented under Proposition 58. Over 30 years of law and precedent were thrown out in an instant with Proposition 19's passage. Under Proposition 19, every property will be reassessed upon death or transfer unless it was the parent's home and becomes the child's home within 1 year. And even then, if the home has a high value, it could still be partially reassessed. Think about the property that was not the parent's home, but instead a cabin. Maybe it's been in the family for multiple generations. Under Proposition 19, that cabin will be reassessed upon death or transfer. The child may need to sell the cabin due to the reassessment and the increased property tax bill. This is what the Repeal the Death Tax Act seeks to correct. This initiative will undo this negative aspect of Proposition 19 and restore prior California law to allow parents to pass property to their children while preserving that low Proposition 13 property tax rate. And to further help those who have already been negatively impacted by Proposition 19, this initiative will be retroactive to February 16th, 2021, the effective date of Proposition 19. We do not know if the Repeal the Death Tax Act will be made law, but I know many of my clients sure hope it will be, as they want to pass on their property to their children while minimizing the tax impacts of that transfer. Thank you.